FuroCubing again. So today I'll be teaching you the notations on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I'll tell you one thing, that the notations are very important while solving a 3x3 cube because they come in use in the algorithms which we use. So I'll start with the upper layer first. This is the upper layer. So up means one move clockwise on the upper layer. So this is up. And when we say up inverted, it means one move on the upper layer counterclockwise. So up, up inverted, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So now this is the right layer. So when we say right, we mean this one move on the right layer clockwise, and when we say right inverted, it means one move on the right layer counterclockwise. So clockwise, anti-clockwise, right inverted, right inverted. So some people must be thinking that the right and the left are same. So I'll tell you that is not the case at all. So this is right inverted, but this is not left inverted. The left layer is moving clockwise, so this is left. And when we say left inverted, means one move counterclockwise. This. So left inverted, left inverted, left. Counterclockwise, clockwise. Counterclockwise, clockwise. So this is the front layer. It's the easiest because the front face is just in front of us. So front clockwise, front inverted, counterclockwise. Front inverted, front inverted, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So in the down layer, it's a bit different. So we have to look at the down face and move one time clockwise. So this is down inverted, this is down inverted, clockwise, anti-clockwise, down inverted, down inverted. In the back layer, it is also a bit different from the front face. So what I do is, I keep two of my fingers here so that I don't forget which is the front face, and I go to the back face, and then look like we do one step clockwise. This is back, clockwise, counterclockwise. This is back inverted because it's moving counterclockwise. So back inverted, clockwise, anti-clockwise, back inverted, back inverted, back inverted. So guys, now I'll move to the little R and little left and the little up. So when we say little R, it moves two layers of the right side, including the middle layer, just like we do right. So when we say little r, we also move the middle layer along with it, just like the right move. So right, little r. So little r inverted, little r inverted. And we say little L, it means L. We also move the middle layer with it, and the middle layer moves just like the left face moves. Left and little left inverted, little left inverted. So same with the up. This is up. So when we say little u, it means two layers including the middle layer, same as the upper layer means. Little u inverted, little up inverted. So guys, these were the notations. Please remember these. Don't forget. These will come in using the algorithm. And I hope you enjoyed our video.